Hey everyone, hey friends. So today, these are the new releases. Some more releases will be released on Friday, Black Friday, Saturday. The sale will run through Tuesday, December the 3rd. I'm going to start with these add-ons. No, I'm not going to start with add-ons. Let me just start with January. Let's get into January. And then I'll introduce the add-ons for January. Here is the B6 kit. And this is what it's looking like. So in this B6 kit, for those who don't do budgeting in their B6, you get a header. That's for your side bar. And you get some little washi. You get date covers, appointment boxes, and a little deco. And then you get your days of the week, icons, date dots, and a few bill due stickers here, and also your bows. So that's all that comes in the B6. And then in your Erin Condren Petite Budget Kit for January, you get your headers. You get January 2020 weekly check-in and income. And what I did was I added the 2020 so that that goes to the right of January. A lot of people didn't know you had an extra box just to cover that extra side. And then you get expenses. Also, a sidebar will be an add-on later if that's what you want. And then you get your bill due stickers. You get 28. I added an extra thing of bill due stickers. You get flags, appointment boxes, and some more total or appointment boxes. You get your total boxes, your total washi. You get sinking funds, item description, cash envelopes, variable expenses, and some more total boxes, income estimated. And here you get your week 1, goes 1 through 3. You get some icons. You get your dates like New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, your date dots, and then you have some script here. So I decided, because I like the Monday, the abbreviated Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, in the Erin Condren Petite, but if you'd like a strip, that could also be considered an add-on. And then also in your Petite, this would normally be your sidebar. If you would like this functionable for you, where this is lightened, you can let me know, and I may just still do that. And then here are your date boxes, date cover, your deco, and then your washi, and this is for your Erin Condren Petite as well. So that's the Erin Condren Petite Budget Kit. So we've done the B6. Now let's get into the deluxe. In your deluxe, you get appointment boxes, some half boxes, which can be used as date covers. You get 28 bill due stickers, week 1 through 5, go 1 through 3. And here are your headers. You get expenses, 2 extra header boxes. January income weekly check-in, and then you get your washi. And in the deluxe, you get these shadow boxes so that you know where to write everything in. There's a space for your totals. Here for total income, you have your spaces for your total income, which is budgeted, actual, plus and minus, cash envelope, sinking funds, and then you have your spaces here for your item description, amount, date, and that normally goes with your cash envelopes, but you can also use it with the script stickers that I'm going to introduce, and those script stickers can be added to your 1 or 2 extra headers. Headers also will be an extra add-on if you like. You can just order some extra headers to put with your script. Then you have your icons, date dots, date covers, and then here at the top in the deluxe, you will get your strip here to put under where your dates go. You get flags. That's optional. It's on the kit, but if you want to use it, you can. You don't have to. You get payday stickers, school clothes, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and that's all the dates that came with that one. So that is end of January. So in your January, you get a deluxe Erin Condren Deluxe, you get a B6 monthly, or you can get a a Erin Condren Petite budget kit. Also, I'm going to be introducing, probably Friday, I'll be adding Happy Planner. I know a lot of people wanted to get the budget stickers, but it's for Happy Planner. They have Happy Planner, so I'll be adding Happy Planner on Friday or Saturday. So you'll still be able to use your discount. Also, here are your extra add-ons for January. Here are some extra bill due stickers right here that you can add on if you have more bills or you just need a few more. And then they can go with something else, because I usually generally do a kit to kind of match a monthly kit. So there'll be a kit coming out that'll kind of match this. So if you need these to add on during your week as a reminder, that'll be something great to get. It won't be that expensive, so definitely use it as an add-on. Next up, we have February. Let's start with the big one. So in this February kit, you get your 28 bill due stickers, and it's foiled in silver foil. Your week 1 through 5, you get some me time spending. I added a few little extra scripts here for that. Date night, spending, me time go 1 through 3. You get your appointment boxes and your half boxes or date covers. And here are your washi strips with your totals, total amount, item description, cash envelopes, sinking funds. And then here you have your date covers, your February 2020 and income. And also, again, that's foiled in silver. And that's expenses, weekly check-in. And then you have an extra box here. Okay. And then you have your date strips here. You have an extra date cover box, your icons, payday school clothes, and then you get some extra little bows here, and then here are your date dots. So that is for the deluxe. That's the February deluxe, and it's in like a rose. It's done a rose. And then here is your February B6 kit. In your February B6, this is just for the monthly. You get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 bill due stickers. You get 12 bows, your Monday through Saturday, icons, date dots, your President's Day, Valentine's Day, Groundhog Day, Lincoln's birthday, Washington's birthday, payday. I don't know if those dates are important to some people, so I just threw them in. They may not be in, I don't know. And you get 4 payday stickers. And then also in the B6 here is your B6 header or sidebar. And then you get 3 little appointment boxes here, some date covers and date boxes here, and your washi. So that's the B6, February B6. Here is your February, oh, that was another B6, sorry. Here's your February Erin Condren Petite. You get your headers, February 2020, expenses, weekly check-in, and then you have that extra sidebar. Here are your bill due stickers. There's been an extra one added, flags, appointment boxes, total boxes. Same scripts, bows, week 1 through 5, date dots, and goals 1 through 3, icons. And then here are your total boxes, your washi. Can you all see that foil? Is it picking up? Yeah, there it is a little bit. And your variable expenses. And obviously, I put the little, these on the Petite as well, so maybe it's going to be on the other one. We'll see. And then here is your sidebar for your Erin Condren Petite. Again, this may just be, when you get it, it may just have a space so that you can write in, but it's still optional if you want to use it. The way I use it is I'll take goal 1 and stick it here, the individual scripts, and then I use these boxes along the side. I like that, but some people may just want to write on it and don't want to use their boxes for something else. And then you get some date cover boxes here and date boxes there, and you wash it. So that is it. That is the new releases. Again, I'm going to be working on Happy Planner because I know a lot of people like it, and it'll only be a few because I'm not sure how it'll sell. Also, here are your, we did this, hold on, I'm sorry, we got some more stuff, y'all. And then this is your February mini Bill Do stickers. This can go in your B6 or your Erin Condren Petite. And then here are your full boxes for your Bill Do stickers as an add-on if you'd like that. And that's for February. This is for January. And I have one more thing. And then we have your extra script that'll be added on. And these are like paycheck number 1. I don't receive a paycheck. That's why I've never had them in my shop. But there are people who need paycheck 1, paycheck 2, paycheck 3, paycheck 4, even a paycheck 5, debt tracker, debt snowball, and savings tracker. Me, I need debt. I want debt snowball, debt tracker, and savings tracker, so I added those. But if there's something else that you can think of as far as script-wise that you would like to see, just leave me a comment. That way I can add it, because again, I don't get a paycheck, so certain things I'm not tracking, but I wanted to make it so that everyone is happy and it's something that you can use. So this is an add-on. You can get it in foil or no foil. So if you bought, this is in rose gold, so if you bought the January kit comes in gold, rose gold foil, and you want it in rose gold foil, you'll get the option of rose gold silver or in any of the ones that I offer. So it's pretty much up to you. I thought about doing this in pink, and that's what I kind of should have done, those kits in pink. I bet you that'd been pretty. And then, or you can just get it in black and white if you just want it plain black and white. So, or just black. So, and let me show you that they do peel. They're cut perfect. Hope I took a picture of this. Yeah. So there's show you they're cut to perfection. So that's that. That is the end of the new releases. I hope you guys, I finally got them done. Still got food in the oven, but everything's done. And trust me, I worked hard. I do have a hobo kit coming as well. I was going to try to have that today, but that is something that'll be added to the weekend because I have some more surprises as the weekend goes on. But budget kits were imperative, and I still wanted to do a March, so you may see a March and April kit coming your way before the end of the sale, okay? Also, don't forget you need to spend $10 in order to take advantage of the sale, and the sales code is BLK30. You get 13% off of your total purchase of $10 or more in my Etsy shop. If you're viewing this on Instagram, you can hit the link in my bio that will take you to my Etsy shop. Also, if you're viewing this on YouTube, I will try and put the link in the description box as well. And some of you know where to go. All right. Also, make sure if you are following me on Etsy that you heart. That way you can see the new things that I get as they're coming in throughout the weekend. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.